Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. All right, guys, so we finally get the first look at the Ipsy July Glam Bag. Now, this is the regular standard bag. You know, this is the one with the $10 subscription. And if you want to see any spoilers, because there are July spoilers out for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box, I will link those below if you want to go check those out. But I'm going to go ahead and show you the bag, and then I'm going to show you the first 5 things or spoilers that will be in this bag. Now, I already done the spoilers the other day, but I'll go ahead and show them in here so you don't have to keep switching videos. So first we look at the bag. Now, this is absolutely cute. I think it's really cute for July. I would have thought they would have went with a more 4th of July theme somehow, you know, but this is just as cute. I think this is absolutely adorable. I love it. And then the first spoiler is the Firma Beauty 204 Wide Blender Brush. And then we have the Mellow Cosmetics Precision Liquid Pen Liner in the shade Black. And then also, this is Ico Beach Waterproof Mascara. And then next we have Red Earth. This is the Brighten Concentrate Oil with, I think that says Cockadoo Plum. Does that sound right to you guys? I don't know. Comment below and let me know. And then the last thing is the Coffee Scrub in French Vanilla. Now, these are the spoilers so far. Again, this is for the standard $10 subscription bag. I think the bag is just adorable. So it looks like it's turning out to be a good month for Ipsy for July. So as soon as they come out with anything else, I will update you guys. So always make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every video I upload. You do not want to miss any of these spoilers. Also, guys, if you would, take the time and rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. That just shows me exactly which videos you are enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you guys. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.